Good morning, YouTubers. Mustang Rebuilder here. What we're looking at today will be a 2007 Mustang. I just purchased it, and the whole purpose behind this video is a father and son project. I'm going to try to get them into helping me rebuild some Mustangs. And that's it. Let me show you the car. Okay, what we have here is a 2007 Mustang. It's got what's known as the pony package. And anybody on YouTube, if I make a mistake in here, correct me, it's no problem. I'm new to Mustangs. I've been a Chevy guy all my life. But I like the looks of this, and we're going to start doing some rebuilders in this. So, it's got the pony package. It's in Windsor blue. It's a convertible. The top's got a few little issues as far as underneath this tape, some of the stitching is coming out, and the rear window seems to be bad. I'm going to take it to one of my upholstery guys later on. But this one has the pony package, which is noted by having GT wheels on it, which are the wider for the V8s. Has a pony sticker on the side, emblem. The front on these has the dual fog lamps. This car has been in a wreck. It's not even a hard hit. I had it delivered to me. It's looks like we need a hood, a grill, one of the fog lights, a bumper, headlight, and fender. And once we open her up, we'll see if it needs anything else in. The rest of the car is in fantastic shape. No dents. The only other dent I could find on this car was, it's like the size of a little hail dent. Right here in the corner. Hard to see, but there's a little bitty ding right here. And I'll have that taken out rather than painting it or whatever on that side. I'll have a hail damage guy do that work for me. What we plan on doing on this car is those repairs there. I'm going to show you exactly what I paid for the car for any fathers and sons that want to do a project. And I'll show you where I get the parts from, how much they all cost, and each time I'll list step by step what we got in this car. As far as the interior of this car, it's the only thing I found wrong with the interior of the car. It's a little dirty. No tears in the seats, just a little dirt. Might have been from sitting in the salvage pool. And what I'm noticing here to be a common problem on Mustangs from the 2005 to 2010 is this insert here starts delaminating. And we'll see what we can do with that. Either my interior guy or I'll repair it. I'll see what we're going to do. It has the high-end stereo in it. It has a shaker stereo system in it. It has the pony package included, a power driver seat. It also had rear sway bars underneath it. And it's supposed to be a GT suspension. If anybody wants to educate me more on it, go right ahead. Please, no haters. A little history on myself. I used to be a body man and painter back in 1980, 81, 82, 83. And then I retired from that and spent the rest of my career being a firefighter. Now retired from it. That's my shop. It's still in the process of being final steps being built. The outside's all done except for the lighting. We got to finish the driveway, and then we'll be stepping into the interior, insulating and doing the full wiring. But it's good enough to get the Mustang in there and do work. Well, that's where we'll leave off today, and we'll start again in the next episode. Thank you so much for your time.